Hi guys, welcome in this new video where I'm going to show you guys a new platform to earn at least 45 USDT, $45 per day. So all I have to do is to watch the video till the very end and do not skip any part. Before I will show you people how the platform fully works, I will first of all place a live withdrawal to show you people that truly you can withdraw cryptos from this particular website. So for that, as you can see, I'm in my account over here and you guys can see that I'm on the home page of the platform. So I will click on the button access over here to show you people my access in my account. So as you can see, this is my balance over here. You guys can see that I have $0.02. That means that I don't have anything. So I'll click on the button home again. So once on the home page over here, I'll click on the button team. Once I click on the button team, you guys can see over here that I have a bonus of 45 USDT. I received this bonus from the affiliation. So I'll click on this particular button over here so that this bonus can be added to my balance. Once I click on it, you can see that the bonus is not over here again. So I'll go back on my balance to check again. So I'll click on the button access over here. So once I click on the button access over here, you guys can see now that I have $45 45 USDT on my balance over here. So I'll withdraw this $45 to show you guys that truly you can withdraw cryptos from this particular platform. So once I'm here, I'll click on the button withdraw over here. So once I click on the button withdraw, you can see that the cryptocurrency is USDT, but for the blockchain, for the network, we have two networks. So I'll click on this icon over here to show you guys the two networks. So you have the Polygon network and you have the Arbitrum One network. So that's the update on this platform, because I already made a video on this platform. If you guys can remember, this is Otrading. Otrading is a robot that help you to trade cryptos. So you don't need to be doing anything, just do the setting and the robot will be doing the trading for you. So in this particular video, I just want to show you guys that apart from the trading profit, you can also earn with the referral. So this 45 USDT, I got it from the referral. So back to the video, as I was saying, this is the update on Otrading. There is no more TRX, so you can only deposit and withdraw through your Polygon and your Arbitrum One network. So you cannot withdraw or deposit through the Tron network again. So you can see they made a post on it. I even posted it on my Telegram channel, so you guys can see the post over here. So if you want to make a transaction, you have to be careful. If not, you are going to lose your cryptos. So back over here, I will now choose the network. As for me, I'm going to withdraw through the Arbitrum One network. So I'll choose the Arbitrum One network. So after choosing the Arbitrum One network, I have to paste my address. So I already copied my address, so I'll just paste it over here. Remind you, this is USDT Arbitrum One network, so you make sure you copy the correct address. If not, you're going to lose your crypto. So after pasting my address over here, I'll now enter the amount that I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw all my balance, so I'll just click on the button all over here so that all my balance can be added over here. So as you can see, all my balance is over here now, the 45 USDT, but they are going to charge me the withdrawal fees. So I'll not receive all the 45 USDT. As you can see over here, I will receive only 44.68 USDT. So they are going to take 0.38 USDT as withdrawal fees. So I will now click on the button continue over here to continue the withdrawal process. So after clicking on the button continue, as you can see, they said I should do this verification. So I'll just click on the button get code so that they will send me an OTP in my email account. So I will go and copy that OTP and come and paste it so that I can continue the withdrawal. So I already click on the button get code, so I have to go and copy the code and come and paste it. So I already copied the code. I will just paste it and continue the withdrawal process. So guys, I'm done everything and you guys can see that they said processing. So I just have to wait for some time and go and check in my wallet and see if I receive it. So after waiting for some time, it is even written here that everything is okay. So I'll go and check it to my wallet. So guys, as you can see, I'm back in my wallet over here and you guys can see that it is written here credited 44.68 USDT credited in my wallet over here. That means that this platform is really paying, guys. And as I said earlier, this is my referral commissions that I receive from Otrading. So apart from the trading profit, you can also receive commissions when you are referring people. That's what I wanted to show you guys in this video, because I already made a video on Otrading, so you can watch that video. I will even leave the link of the video in the video description, so you can watch the video and see how the platform fully works. So as you can see over here, these are the profit that I made from the platform with the robot. So you can see plus $4.61, plus $11, plus $16.75, plus $33.27. So you have here minus $9.39. so that's what we call trading. So you can also lose, but the most important part is that you are going to make a lot of profit. So after the minus $9, you have plus $9, plus $14, $20. So you can see over here in all, this is my profit, $1,191 as profit. But this one you have to get a huge capital. So I have something like 500 USDT as capital. So if you want to earn a lot with trading, you have to make sure that your capital is big. You have a big capital so that you can earn a lot of profit. So as I said earlier, I already made a video on Otrading, so I'm not going to come back on those particular details again. I will leave the link of the video in the video description so that you guys can watch and see how the platform fully works. So in this particular video, I just wanted to show you guys how you can earn with the referral commissions. So apart from the trading profit, you can also earn with the referral commissions. And as you guys have seen in this video, I got 45 USDT as referral commission. This is different from the trading profit. That shows that this platform is very interesting, guys. So let me remind you guys that if you want to start with this particular platform, you have to prepare 75 USDT, 25 USDT to buy the robot, and $50 as capital. But if you have more than $50, it will be good, because if your capital is big, you are going to earn a lot of profit too. So that's how it works, guys, basically. So guys, that's it for this video. And if you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to smash the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you, and see you in my next video.